Mike Hughes here. I'm with the Cane Bay Dive Shop, and I'm here with Suzanne, and you want to tell us a little bit about your diving there?
Sure. We're St. Croix, the largest of the U.S. Virgin Islands.
Okay.
We're known for our wall that runs along the north shore of the island.
What wall is that?
The Cane Bay Wall. It's part of the Puerto Rican Trench, so it's pretty much an underground highway of anything and everything.
That's like 12 miles long or so?
Yes.
Okay.
And it starts out about 10, 15 feet, gradually slips out to 40 feet, then drops over 13,000 feet, depending on where you are along the wall.
Yeah, I'd be returning before the end of that dive.
Yeah, I think so. You only see a little bit of it. But we have the most diversity of most islands in the Caribbean. We're known for the wall, then we have the wrecks, the reef, the pier. We have shore diving. All of our boat rides are 15 minutes or less. We have great properties we work with, everything from bed and breakfast to the nicest resorts on the island, five-star resorts.
Wherever they are, usually you pick them up at their site?
No, we don't pick them up.
Okay.
We have taxi unions on St. Croix.
Oh, they have to find their own way. Oh, they have to do something.
Exactly. So, no, we have different places that you can stay right by the marina where the boat is, or you can stay in town, or out on different sides of the island by the pier. It really depends on what type of accommodations you're looking for.
Okay, and then if they go there, they should stay how long minimum?
Most of our divers stay 7 to 10 nights.
Okay.
I mean, we have a few that come for 5 nights. But by the time, if you want to experience all the diving St. Croix has to offer, really 5 days is a good amount of time to experience the wall, the wrecks, the reef, and the pier.
Cool. And if they want more information about the Cayman Bay Dive Shop, they would go to?
Yes, CaymanBayScuba.com.
CaymanBayScuba.com.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.